How to check how many Gmail account on your number. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can check how many Gmail account has been linked to your number. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up any browser that you prefer and then go to gmail.com. Once you do that, you will land on sign in prompt. So from here, tap on forget email. It's gonna ask you to enter your phone number. So provide your phone number. Once done, tap on next. Now you have to enter your first name and last name linked with your account. Then tap on next. After you do that, you will receive a verification code in your mobile number. You have to enter the verification code. After you are verified, you will see a list of Google account that has been linked to your number. So in this way, you can find the Gmail account linked on your number. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.